Greetings everyone. Today I will show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator from Android to new iPhone. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Microsoft Authenticator on your phone. Then you want to go and click on these three horizontal lines on the top left side. And you should know that this method will work with both Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android, vice versa. Okay, so now the first method that you will actually try is to use the cloud. So now I'm using the iPhone for now. So I'm going to click on these three horizontal lines on the top left side. Then you want to go and click on settings. Then you want to go and click on iCloud backup. Then you want to make sure that you have it turned on. Now, what you should do is to simply go back. And of course, you should attach a Microsoft account in order to recover your Authenticator app. After that, you want to click on the Microsoft application and make sure that you have the one-time passcode just right here. Now, let me show you what to do right now. Is to simply go and open the settings of your iPhone. Then you want to go and click on iCloud. Then what you should do right now is to simply make sure that you have this option turned on. Back up this phone, you should have this option turned on. Then now what you should do right now is to simply go and make sure that you have the latest update on your iPhone. So go to your app store and make sure that you have the latest one. And now what you should do is to simply go and open your new phone and click on restore from backup. And of course, you should sign in using the Microsoft account that you have used before. After that, you want to go and click on begin recovery and you're all done. You just have to enter the Microsoft account, the password, and it will show here this message, account successfully recovered. But of course, you should use the same Microsoft account. Now, let's say that you cannot actually do the backup method. Now, the second method is to simply try to remove the account or the Microsoft Authenticator from your phone and try to attach it and set it up from the beginning as you made before. So now what to do right now is to simply go and search for account.microsoft.com and it will open this page. Just click on security. Now after you click on security, you should click on manage how I sign in. After that, you want to go and click on enter a code from an authenticator app. Then you want to go and click on remove. And after that, click on remove again. And now you want to open the Microsoft Authenticator on your phone and continue setting it up as usual. And that is it. This is how you can do it. If you find this video useful, please consider like, subscribe, share this video to your friend that wants to transfer the Microsoft Authenticator from one phone to another. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.